Found Daba. It's a space for Mbule. Floats it out wide for. He's laid it off for Mbule. Ntajela. Moremi. 7 goals already in all competition. From arrows, and still the danger's not gone. Mbule laying it off to Moremi. Ntajela has given it away cheaply. Here's
2 brilliant games, actually 3 brilliant games.
Now Mbule with a wonderful pick out the first time cross. Almost comes off for Orlando Pirates. Well judged in the air by Libito.
The defensive work there from Golden Arrows, but good ball being played by Mbule. That's why he's on the team, be able to spray those type of passes. He's got a vision.
Globo scored in that game. Individual effort actually has been voted goal of the month. Nduli. This is Mbule. Shoots. Mbule. Dipping over the crossbar.
Good interplay from a very, very confident side. Orlando Pirates finding themselves in and around the box there. This time around, Sipho Mbule finds so much space. He created that space for him. Such a quality player. It looks like he's going to play out wide. Golden Arrows defense shift. Uses his input step. It was unfortunately not to hit the target, but those are the ranges that we've seen also Sipho Mbule being able to score from those.
Now they've become known as a team that are deadly from range since the beginning of last season. Mbule. Foul from Dion. Scored in the last 4 Betway Premiership games in succession. The first time that he's ever managed that in South African top flight football. Current leading goals, soundly beaten 4 goals to 1 in the following fixture. Beautiful ball from Mbule. No balls off his line so quickly. Sibis. Mbule. Turning away from Dlamini. Gets it back from Moremi. Through for Ndaba. Plays the first time ball. Yeah, he blocks it away. Given away by Mbule to Karosa.
Being on that transition that they could have really, really used as well, especially with Cisse there outside. But yeah, Ngobo, you can only be able to do that once you read the game very well. You're in tune with the game. You're not playing on your line. Look at him here, anticipating that touch. He's very fortunate because Moremi was looking at the ball. If Moremi opens up, he realized that he was coming. That's a different story. But you need to be able to take those type of risks if you are a super keeper or keeper.
Well, it is one of the facets of his game where he is superior to Takazani and Banjwa, and that is not a single goal or assist against them. Moremi. Ball in, created a fair amount of danger. Arrows do well to clear.
This game is end-to-end stuff. Nobody wants to defend. We all attack. Once you win the ball, that is Golden Arrows. They're quick to play forward. So there's a lot of parts, a lot of openings. It requires that midfield, and this man here, Ndlovu, to be more on the ball to take, especially with his body. And coming into today's fixture, it's unfortunate to lose a player like that that always puts his body on the line.
Mbule. Extravagant turn, they retain possession. Bank Cup final, 3-0 win. Mabasa also on the score sheets again. Shandu and Dlamini with his second direct free kick of that season. Defensive work still required. Ball with Mbule. Cisse getting there ahead of Apollos. Siema. Mbule. Moremi. Mbule for Libito. Libito. Apollos. Mbule. A brief what has been a very stubborn defence this season. Though it's not what you might characterise as their first choice backline. This is Apollos laying it off for Makopa. Pilani Ntokozani on the field as Mbule drives forward on Petat Moremi.
Yeah, creative she was.
Brilliant.
Coming in.
Now double change for Orlando Pirates. Tito Maswanganyi is onto the park. He's actually on the verge of a suspension on 3 yellow cards at the moment. Is Maswanganyi Potuma.